Hi guys, Parm at Car Audio and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a brand new product that we are releasing into the market, and it's a new brand of air struts called XLO Air Suspension. A lot of you, if not all of you, are familiar with what air suspension actually is. That's right, makes your car go up and down, gives you lots of convenience factors for when you're modifying your vehicle, and especially if you like to drive low, it's the best thing to put on your vehicle. Now, we've been looking to do our own brand of air struts for the last couple of years. We've tried various manufacturers, all from the Far East. We've tried budget kits, and I soon kind of realized that bringing a budget kit to the market is not the way forward. It's not going to help anyone. We finally landed ourselves with a factory that makes really good quality struts. We've decided to badge our own bags, and we've decided to call it XLO Air Suspension. XLO is at a price point, but I feel it's a premium product at a lower price point. But yeah, let's do a bit of unboxing and show you what's in the box. This is actually a BMW E36 kit. You get the adjuster knobs, you get the PTC fittings for your airlines, you also get the spanners for the threaded body lock ring so you can tighten those down as well. This particular kit comes with anti-roll bar links. All of our kits, where possible, also come with leader lines for the front struts. Every one of our kits, where possible, comes standard with camber adjustable top mounts as well. So if you have a look here, you've got up to 6 degrees of adjustment there. So you get 2 front struts, you also get 2 rear airbags and 2 rear shocks as well. Now, all of the mounts for the airbags, they're all billet machined from one piece aluminium. Just means they're a lot stronger. All the shock absorbers are monotube shocks, so really high grade shocks is there included. All of our shocks also come with 32 clicks of damping adjustment. So on the rears on the E36 kit, the adjuster knob goes in the top there, you adjust it from there, and on the fronts it just goes on the top of the strut as well. Now, we have been running this kit on one of our own vehicles, and I've covered about 2,000 miles so far, and it's been trouble-free. So the car in question is our R129 SL. Now, the good thing about having threaded bodies, on the SL I'm only running a 3P management on there, and the fitment is quite tight. What we've actually done on the SL is we've adjusted the height of the shock so you can actually air the car out and it just stops at a particular point, so you don't damage your arches, you don't scrape your wheels. So that's a really good feature to have. And obviously you get 32 clicks of damping adjustment, 16 soft, 16 hard, and obviously allows you to fine-tune your drive. The other thing that I want to actually point out is the airbags on these kits are made from one-piece rubber. They're not seam glued on the insides or anything like that, and all the bags are multi-layer as well, which means you're getting a very, very strong bag, and obviously lifespan, if you like. They'll probably go on forever, to be fair with you. All in all, the kit looks absolutely fantastic. These are big bang for your buck. I think they're absolutely brilliant. They look good, and I'm sure they're going to last a very long time as well. All the kits are designed to be fitted to your vehicle without having to do any modifications to the car itself. They are a direct bolt-on application. There may be a few applications where you need to maybe remove a spring perch, but generally these are all bolt-on kits, which is what I love about them. All the kits are made to order. There are a few kits that we'll be holding on the shelf, like all the classic Mercs, all the classic BMs, a few Ford kits. We will be holding those in stock. All the rest of the stuff will be made to order, so there is a lead time of approximately 2 to 3 weeks. But all the management kits that we will be supplying with these kits, it's all going to be airlift management, either 3P or 3H. We will not go away from that because Airlift have the best management system in the world. It's patented, the software is all written for Airlift, which also has its other benefits. We can supply it with different tank configurations. You can have one compressor, you can have two compressors. Whichever way you want to do your build, we can accommodate for that. Now, every kit does come with a 12-month warranty. We've been doing research for about 2 years, and like I said at the beginning of the video, the aim was to bring a budget brand of air suspension to the market, but I'm going to be totally honest with you, it's not the way forward. This is an affordable premium product, and I'm sure you guys are all going to be super happy with it. Having said that as well, as an introductory offer, any kits that we're in August now, so any kits that we sell from now up until the end of the year, we will put your name into a hat, and then at the end of the year, we will pull some lucky winner's name out of this hat, and you will get refunded for the cost of your struts. Not the full kit, you will get refunded for the cost of your struts only. So jump on it and yeah, let's get those cars bagged, man. The next car that we're going to be installing an XLO kit to is our own 7 Series E38 BMW. So I'll let you know how we get on with that kit. I'm pretty confident it's going to be 10-10. Listen, get in touch. We'll price it up for you. We also offer finance options if you don't want to be paying it outright. It's 0% finance, so hey, why not? Drop us an email, jump on the website to check out the pricing, or you can just get in touch with us, give us a call, drop us an email on the socials. And remember, give the XLO Instagram page a follow as well. That'll keep you up to date on all the stock that's coming in, on any new kits that are being produced. Now, we do cater for a lot of kits, from classic cars to supercars. We've got old school Mercs, old school BMWs, we've got Ferraris, Lambos, Audi R8s, you name it. The kits are available for those cars. So yeah, happy days, and I will catch you on the next video.